Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find saved passwords on your iPhone if you're using iOS 18. Now previously, the password was found in settings and then in iCloud. You can go to iCloud and then here is the password. So the passwords were stored in this section. However, now there is a separate app for your password. So we are going to go back to the home screen and then we're going to go to all apps. So after your in-app library, go and search for password. So here is the passwords application. After you're in iOS 18, this passwords application will be installed on your iPhone. So we're going to open the passwords application. Obviously, it's locked with your Face ID, or if you don't have Face ID, you can use your PIN code. So here it is. You can access all of your passwords from this application. So here in all section, you will be able to access all of your website passwords. In the Wi-Fi section, you'll be able to access all of your Wi-Fi passwords. And here in the security section, you're going to be able to see passwords that are actually at security risk. So you can review those passwords and make them stronger as needed. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like these.